What's happening, team? So it is Saturday, March 10th, and we are back out on the road. I'm excited today because I'm scheduled from like 8 to 8. So I do have a 12-hour day, but you know me, I don't like to go for much more than say like $30 a day. But I think we might try for a little bit more. We'll see where we get and how long we go. But Saturdays are really great because I have the extra time while my wife is working to just do, you know, as much dashing as I want. And that kind of opens up the scale of like how much I can make on a single day. So let's give it a try, see what we get. All right, so morning shifts in my area really are never, they're not that fast. You know, like there's not a lot going on. So we're gonna head over to the Chick-fil-A that's over here, and we're gonna park it in their parking lot. Hopefully we can get at least 2 orders for this breakfast session. That doesn't sound like a lot, I know, but I think the peak pay right now is $3 per order. So we'll get a little extra money in there, and I just hope we get a damn order. So the morning's been so slow that I decided to just come back to the house and sit down and sort of just hang out till like, I don't know, maybe 10 o'clock or so. I'm leaving DoorDash running, but I'm waiting for a good order, and I haven't gotten one. All right, so we got an order this morning. This one looks kind of worth it. It's $7 plus for about 3 miles. So it's a high priority order, and I think it's gonna pay, let's make a guess. Take a guess in the comments what you think it is. I think it's gonna be $9.50. Let's see. And of course, Starbucks had the order ready in about 2 minutes. Here we go. Yeah, I was wrong. It was literally just an $8 order. Cheap. So I probably wouldn't take this order normally, but it's 1 mile for $5. We're headed to Wendy's. Let's go. All right, we got our third order, and our third order is me. I'm hungry. I want a chicken biscuit. We got an order for $10.50 per 2.8 miles going to McAllister's. Yeah, I think we're gonna take that one. Not too bad. The first order was $8.50, but then I delivered to an apartment, and obviously DoorDash is trying to make it worth my time with that first order, but the second order was $2 because Keandria doesn't like to tip. So it's officially 11 o'clock, which to me means that we're sort of starting the lunch shift. I take my mornings really simply. I live in a small market, so you know, you get good and bad orders on the morning shifts whenever you take them. And I'm okay with 23. That gives me a good start to the day. And to be honest, in between orders, I went home and just hung out until I got a good order to take. That is the total freedom of DoorDash, man. You can do it from anywhere. So we're gonna go home now, actually, and I'm gonna sit my happy butt down for a little while, probably until I get my next order. Because technically speaking, the lunch shift here gets busier closer to like noon, and then goes on till about, I'd say it dies down around 2 o'clock. After 2, you get that window of like 3 to 4, and then, you know, sort of the dinner shift starts, and that's probably where we'll make the most of our money today. I'm really hoping just to get about 50, 60 bucks. I'm not gonna shoot it hard today for anything. I'm only gonna accept high paying orders, and we'll just take it easy. Easier on the vehicle and easier on my time. Cool. Okay, so this is a $6.50 plus order. So leave down in the comments your guess as to what this order might be. I'm gonna go $8.50. Let's see what we got. Check it out. So Greg lives in a camper in the lot out here. Man, I think that would be the life. Have like a super nice camper, just live a simple life, you know, just DoorDash all the time. All right, and I was wrong again. Greg paid like a little over $6 tip. So it was a $9 order. Not bad, but that puts us at our 32 for the day. So what do? We keep going. All right, got our next order. Zaxby's, $9 for a little over 6 miles. We'll take it. Let's go. I pulled into the parking lot, and they made it a stacked order with an extra $5.50, but wouldn't tell me the distance that I was driving. But I took it. You know, that's gonna turn this into 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like a $14.50 order. But little mystery of how far we're going. You'll find out in a second, all right? Oh man, that wasn't bad. That first order was to the added order. It was $5.50, and he was literally just in the direction I was going to the next drop off. His next drop off's $9, so boom shakalaka. Okay, so with that delivery, I'm pulling out of their driveway now. We just hit 47, and it also just turned noon. And if you remember, my goal for the day was like 50 or 60. So I think we could go for another hour or so. And then, I don't know, maybe I'll use the afternoon to hang out and enjoy this beautiful weather. All right, let's go get another order. All right, so we hit noon and it got a little slower, you know, probably going to pick up after 1. But I decided, you know, 47, that's not bad for a Saturday morning. I think I'm going to call it a day. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.